If you have low-end PC and you want good quality in OBS, I'll show you how to do it. Go to open your OBS, go to File and go to Settings. In Settings, go to Output and go to Recording. If you are recording, go to Recording, and this is the settings while you are recording for low-end PC and for good quality. In Type, select Standard. In Recording Path, set your drive in recording format. Select Motoroska Video, and in Video encoder, select Quick Sync H264. Audio encoder FFmpeg, and go into rate control, select ICQ, and in ICQ qualities select 18. In target usage, select TU for balance medium quality. In profile, select high. In keyframe, select 2 seconds, latency normal, and vframe 3, and go to video section and select higher resolution in base and output, or select your FPS to 60. That's it, and then plus apply button and then OK. Now you can record smooth video in your low-end PC for gaming. And if this helpful, subscribe to Wellpixel, and also thanks for watching. Subscribe.